Let me explain about JS suction rolls for film. First, looking at the roll-to-roll structure, conventional nip roll and suction roll operate with a fixed inner cylinder and rotating outer cylinder concept. A nip roll consists of a steel drive shaft, roll on the bottom, and a rubber roll on top. This top rubber roll is called the nip roll, which rotates while pressing down on the material to transport it. The suction roll has a mesh surface and consists of inner and outer cylinders. It wraps around the backside of the material, rotating to transport it. Our company has developed a new concept of suction roll that improves upon the problems of conventional suction rolls, and it's being used across various industries. Let me compare our suction roll with conventional suction rolls. First, looking at the structure. Conventional suction rolls operate with a fixed inner cylinder and rotating outer cylinder concept. The inner cylinder is fixed and has grooves carved to create a suction angle that allows the outer cylinder to adhere to the material. Additionally, the outer cylinder is a cylindrical pipe with orifice holes that uses the inner cylinder's suction to adhere to the material while rotating to transport it. The mesh is inserted into the outer cylinder and is structured to make contact with the material. In contrast, our developed suction roll is an integrated single-piece structure, different from the conventional fixed inner rotating outer cylinder concept. By integrating the conventional inner-outer cylinders into one unit, it features stilts in the cylindrical pipe for stable suction capability, along with adjustment pads for setting the suction angle and a suction chamber that provides suction. When suction starts in the suction chamber, the material is suctioned at a predetermined angle through the angle adjustment pads. The slits in the roll provide stable suction as the roll rotates while holding the fabric, creating a structure that transfers the material. The surface that comes in contact with the fabric has mesh, perforation, special types. To summarize, structurally, the main difference is that the existing design has a fixed inner cylinder with rotating outer cylinder, while our company's design is an integrated structure. Regarding surface materials, both use mesh, but our company has additional special types that combine perforation with mesh. Here are the structural advantages and disadvantages. When working with high tension, the existing design with inner-outer cylinder structure struggles to cope. If the rotating outer cylinder cannot maintain proper spacing with the inner cylinder, they may come into contact, causing mechanical friction noise and potentially generating metal particles. Our company's suction roll, being integrated, can handle high tension work up to 200 kilograms. If the suction angle needs to be adjusted due to changes in the roll pass process, the existing design requires changing the inner cylinder. This leads to lengthy replacement times and increased costs for securing spare parts. However, our design only requires replacing the suction angle pads, allowing for quick and simple suction angle adjustments. In the existing design, if the precision along the length of the inner cylinder is poor, air filtration can weaken the suction power. However, our integrated design prevents air filtration, providing stable suction power. When working with wide films that require enhanced suction power, the existing design needs blower replacement. However, our design can easily handle this through the use of dual chambers. Let's look at the surface materials. The existing design has holes drilled in a cylindrical pipe with mesh inserted, so the mesh surface contacts the fabric. Our company has 3 types on the type of film: mesh, perforation, special types. The mesh type has mesh inserted into a slit pipe. The perforation type has a perforated plate inserted into a slit pipe. This plate is first perforated with holes, then specially treated, chrome-plated, and polished. The special type combines both by having mesh additionally inserted over the perforated plate in the slit pipe. Let's examine the advantages and disadvantages of the materials. For the existing design, manufacturing is limited to standard mesh specifications, creating size limitations. The nickel mesh is weak and can be damaged even by minor impacts. When different hole sizes are needed in the cylindrical pipe due to issues like line marks on the fabric surface, each hole must be drilled individually, resulting in poor customer responsiveness. While our company's mesh has the same fundamental issues inherent to mesh materials, our suction roll is fundamentally based on a slit structure. It can use perforated plates with various hole sizes. This allows us to respond to customers' quality improvement demands. The perforated plates can accommodate various customer size requirements due to their diversity in roll diameter and length. It improves running quality through excellent and stable tension feeding. If fabric wraps around the roll due to breakage and needs to be removed with a knife, there won't be any scratching on the roll surface. This product is so durable that customers who have used it for 10 years haven't requested after-sales service, making it essentially a semi-permanent product. Currently, it's being used in equipment producing PET acrylic, PVA film, and copper foil. The special type is a solution product that resolves customer quality issues by adding both perforated plates and mesh to the slit pipe. Some films have sensitive surfaces or develop slit or hole marks after passing through dryers due to increased film temperature. As an improvement case study, we enhanced quality by adding mesh to 1.55 perforations. Our company offers two types of suction rolls: a fixed type with a set suction width and a variable type where the suction width can be adjusted. The fixed type is based on the minimum product width, while the variable type comes in two varieties, center-based and one-sided. Finally, let me mention some cost-related information. Our company's suction roll has an integrated structure without inner and outer cylinders, consisting of a rotating roll and vacuum chamber. A bearing housing spacing adjustment device is needed to fix the chamber and adjust gaps. While other companies require customers to prepare this separately, our price includes this component. Our company holds several related patents in Korea and Japan. This concludes the explanation of our suction roll. Thank you.